The land that is called Benin today, Benin wasn't the first name. There was a time that place was identified as Idu.
Idu.
Then who are the I'm coming. That's Idu. Who are the people that occupy that geographical location? Before we have that story about Aidu Noba, who are the Idu? Who are the Oba?
I don't know.
What is Aya? Is a conflict, a war between two kingdoms. Aidu Noba. That resulted huge migration. That most of our people left their this thing to where they are presently the places where we are today. Idu no, but like what the young man said on the chart traces, they are this. Who are the Idu? Is Benin that we see today? Are they part of the Idu? The answer is no. Oba of Benin, the Benin we see today are not part of Idu.
They are from Ife.
They are from Ife. Who are the people that are from Idu? It is through proliferation with the Portuguese that Benins and those that have upper hand against us. We run for their land because of that, and because they were using them gun to gun down our warriors. So our people started migrating out of that land before they now have total grip. Then they fought again to dismantle the Ogiso dynasty. Before we now have this Oba. Before we have this present order Oba dynasty. Who are the Benins? It is by the help of the foreigners that they gain the access to that land where they are today. So if my brother said he's from Idu, I will not doubt it, because he needs to understand who are the Idus that he's talking about. Is he talking about the present day Benin, or the old Idus that were displaced of their ancestral land?
He doesn't know. So
they should understand it. When we talk about Idu, we are not talking about the Oba Benin of today. We are the Idus. The Igbos are the Idus. They should understand it. The Igbos are the Idus, not the present Benin people of today. They should bring that name back if they felt that we are the same with them. They should bring out that Idu as a name back today.
So that they can be
okay.